世界で一番の姫様、そういう扱い心得てよね。
We're sitting here today with Homestuck's Jane Crocker.
Hello.
So Jane, tell us what a day in the life of Jane Crocker is like.
Do you really want to know?
Please, tell us.
I don't sleep, motherfucker, I'm a baking arrest. Only died once, took a few times, bitches.
Hot damn, Janie, you a crazy chick.
Yo, shut the fuck up and suck my dick. I'm busting up, it's like Gushers, motherfucker. The way I flip my shit got your heart a fucking flutter.
What you want, Jane Crocker?
To drink and fight.